How nice to see you all. I want to tell you the story of my life. My name is Nomi, and I am a good woman. I have one house, one fish. My fish is in a bowl. Beautiful garden, 3 children, 1 husband. My house is big, my fish is small, my garden is green. My husband Aaron is a lawyer. I am a loyal woman. I'm a teacher. I cook, I clean, I dance. I'm perfect. I didn't see you. I want to tell you something. I want to tell you all, life is beautiful. My husband Aaron is tall. 6 feet 6. Do you know where my husband Aaron is? Have you seen him around? We are such a happy family. We have 3 children. 1 is a soldier, 1 is a doctor, and 1 is a lawyer. A lawyer. I told you, life is beautiful. We are such a happy family. I'm a devoted mother. My house is big, my fish is small, my garden is green. My husband Aaron is a lawyer. I cook, I clean, I dance. I work like a clock, ticky-tock, ticky-tock. I work like a clock, ticky-tock, ticky-tock. My husband Aaron is smart. I am slim. I'm looking for my husband Aaron. Have you seen him anywhere? I am a good woman. I'm an efficient woman. I'm a devoted mother. I'm a loyal wife. I'm a great cook. My house is big. My fish is small. My garden is green. My husband Aaron is a fish. No. Sorry. My husband Aaron is a good lawyer. And I am a good woman. I cook. I clean. I dance. I work like a clock. Tick-tock. Tick-tock. Tick. I wrote something, and I really need some help. Maybe you can help me? But you are too short, my husband is tall. Sorry. The same eyes. But you are a woman. To choose? Now, it's you. Excuse me, sir. Would you mind helping me? I wrote something to my husband Aaron. A short text, few words. And I need to rehearse with someone. Please, can you read it for me? Don't worry. It will take only a moment. Please. Come over here. And read it for me. It will take only a moment.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Here is the text. Please, place the text. You see? Here. Please, read for me number 1.
Number what?
Yes.
Please, Nomi, open the door. It's Aaron. I have come back home.
Aaron, is it you? You missed my chicken soup. I'm a great cook. Number 2.
No, it's you I missed.
Oh, Aaron, I knew that you would miss me. I'm a good woman. Number 3.
So please open the door and let me come in.
We are such a happy family. Number 4.
No, really.
Read number 4. Please.
Naomi, you are so beautiful.
Am I still beautiful? Please. Read for me again number 4.
Naomi, you are so beautiful.
Say. You know what? Take this. Please. And read number 5.
Here, Naomi, I brought you the flowers you love.
No! Give me the flower as you read it. Read it and give me the flower, please.
Here, Naomi, I brought you the flowers you love.
I do my best. I always try to do my best. Number 6.
Naomi, I am sorry. I know I made a mistake.
What are you talking about? I don't want to hear it. I don't remember. Okay, I don't want to remember, okay? Number 7.
You are so beautiful.
Sounds familiar.
Number 7. Number 8.
There is no other woman in my life now.
Again? I asked you. I asked you to drop the subject. Why? Why do you keep saying this? Again and again and again and again and again. נמאס לי! נמאס לי! בכל פעם שאנחנו נפגשים זה מה שאתה אומר לי. כל פעם אתה אומר לי אותם דברים, אתה לא יכול להמציא משהו. Translate for them! Translate for them! מה?
Give them. What?
מה לא נתתי לך?
What did I do to you?
את החיים שלי נתתי לך.
I gave you my life.
את הגוף שלי נתתי לך.
I gave you my body.
את החיים שלי.
I gave you my life.
את החלומות שלי.
I gave you my dreams.
אתה, תסתכל על עצמך.
And you look at yourself.
אינטלקטואל מסריח.
Stinking intellectual.
כל מה שיש לך בראש זה בירות.
All you have in beer.
נשים.
Women.
וכדורגל.
And football.
עכשיו אתה תגיד לכולם, אני אישה טובה.
I am a good woman.
אני הסקס הכי טוב שהיה לך.
I am the best sex you had.
אני אישה מושלמת.
I am a perfect woman. I am a perfect woman. I am a perfect woman. I am a perfect woman.
מה לא נתתי לך?
What did I give you?
את החיים שלי נתתי לך.
I gave you my life.
את הלב שלי נתתי לך.
I gave you my heart.
הכל נתתי לך.
Okay.
ילדים עשיתי לך.
Children I gave you.
חיים טובים נתתי לך. ואתה תסתכל על עצמך. בכל פעם אותו דבר, זה חוזר על עצמו. שוב ושוב ושוב ושוב. ואין לזה סוף. בכל פעם זה מתחיל מהתחלה. שוב ושוב ושוב ושוב. די, נמאס לי. בכל פעם אין שינוי. הדברים חוזרים על עצמם ואני צריכה לעמוד מול המצב הזה.
זהו, סיימנו, יאללה, מספיק לקרוא, הארון הזה חפשו בו בלי סוף. היית כבר, כל הכבוד. עשית את זה, יפה.